everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going to have a little come thrift with me, potentially a haul depending on how much stuff I get and how much footage I get in the shop. So I'm going to go to the Billericay ones today, potentially might go to Gallywood as well depending on how I'm feeling and how successful I am in the first lot. I'm going to try and have a really good day of content creating for you guys, and yeah, let's show you an OOTD. So I'm wearing this black, oh my mirror is so dirty. BRB. That's slightly better. So I'm wearing this ribbed Primark top. I believe this is from Cancer Research originally. I'm wearing my M&S jeans, just some black socks. I haven't put shoes on yet. I'll just be wearing my trainers. I'm wearing this stacked kind of gold necklace, which I really like. It's got like a little bit of green and white. And I'm wearing my kind of multicolored little gold hoops. And then just my bag of tote bags. And yeah, let's go hit the charity shops. Over to voice over Amy now. I haven't done this in ages, so I have this little cocktail stirrer that I thought was cute and some little drinking games. In fact, there's drinking games everywhere. I also saw like really cute Winnie the Pooh teapot, which I thought was gorgeous, and then just loads of other bits. I saw a really nice beach cover up, which I thought was quite cute, a wedding planner, which one of my sisters, you know, they keep on talking about weddings. So also some Levi's, which is insane. I've been seeing Levi's a lot more recently. Of course, mini bags, I see great ones every time. This dress I thought was really cute, but wasn't quite sure on the neckline or kind of the waistband, so I actually didn't pick it up even though it was in my size. And then I also saw this misguided dress which wasn't in my size, but I thought that pink was super fun. I saw this purple linen shirt which I thought was gorgeous, and they obviously had a bride donate all of the bride and bridesmaids kind of dressing gowns and silk pyjamas, so I thought that was super cute. The first shop I didn't find anything for me. There was a really nice Walt Disney Animations picture, so I think as that one's the right one, the one right next to the car park, I'm going to leave it, and if I come back and it's still there, then that's a sign, I'll get it. But it was £5, so I'd already kind of paid when I saw it, so I'm going to now, but I might go back. So on to the next ones. I saw this gorgeous set of placemats and coasters. I thought it was so cute. If you're ever looking for something like that, definitely check them out. And then this drinking game looked amazing. Like, I really debated getting this for a long time. So I've just tried this dress on. It's £7.99, so I'm not quite sure. I think I love it, but I'm not quite sure. So I feel like I might get it. It's new with tags, so yeah, I do really like it. I think when I initially put it on, I wasn't sure about the sleeves, but I think I love them now. Also, you could wear them off the shoulder as well. So I'm back from thrifting, and I actually only picked up one piece, and then I thought I'd show you some bits I got the other day, which if you're following me on Instagram, you would have already seen a sneak peek at these items. Yeah, I actually picked them up the other day from Haven's Hospice, but I'll show you them in a second. But first off, we're going to start with the thing you guys have already seen. So I did actually pick up that dress. This was £8 from British Heart Foundation, and kind of the longer I had it on, the more I loved it. Now, when I see this dress, I see myself in a meadow, having a picnic, running through said meadow, eating cakes in a meadow, just very picnic vibes. It's very summery, very spring. It's also very lightweight, which is really nice. I get quite hot. I love the colour of this. I find the blues and kind of the lilac-y purple is gorgeous, and I'm really gravitating towards purple at the moment. It's got kind of frill details on the skirt and then kind of a puff sleeve. Now, I'm not quite sure how you're meant to wear these sleeves, if you're meant to wear them off the shoulder or actually on your shoulders. Obviously, in the clip you would have seen, I did kind of try it both ways. But I'm going to try it on for you guys again in a second so we can fully discuss it now I've got it home. But I just thought this was gorgeous. I also thought that I could actually just put a leather jacket on this, a denim jacket on this, and then maybe some little boots, and I probably could get away with wearing it right now on like the warmer days we're having. But I thought it was super cute, so I picked this one up. So here is the dress. I feel like this is very cottagecore. I feel like that's the word for it. I am wearing black underwear right now, so probably not the best colour. If I wore it, I probably would wear nude. And actually, I'm just wearing an all bra, just kind of pulled down the straps. I did this on holiday with a dress like this, and I thought it's so much more comfortable than wearing a strapless bra. And just literally, I still feel like I'm getting the support because I'm not kind of tucked in the straps. I'm still wearing them just kind of on my shoulders. Anyway, completely besides the point. This is the dress. Obviously, you've seen it on already. I do think this is really cute. I feel like with a bra that kind of pushes me up a little more, might get a bit of cleavage, which is nice. I feel like with some nice dainty jewellery, this looks really pretty. And as I say, it's just like pure picnic vibes dresses. Like, I need to go on a picnic in this. I like the kind of tiered skater skirt look. I feel like it's very flattering around my waist where it's kind of tighter here. It has got a zip on the side, which is perfect because I'm not gonna lie, when I put this on the charity shop, I thought, if I get stuck in this, it feels like that material doesn't have much stretch. And I was like, what if I get stuck in the changing room in this dress? But I didn't. It was fine. It's actually really easy to get on and off, which is perfect. I think it looks really nice with the tan I've got at the moment. And yeah, I literally love this. Like for like afternoon tea, picnic, very feminine. I don't know, I really, really enjoy this and I'm really excited to wear it. And I'm really happy I picked it up because I did have an R. The straps were throwing me off. But I do think, obviously you can wear them up like that. You can wear them down. And I feel like you can also wear them kind of just like halfway. So I feel like you can wear this in like multi-way kind of sleeves. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. So glad I picked it up. And this is the dress. I feel like a princess in this. I love it. Here you go. Then, as I said, you would have seen a couple of these items on my Instagram if you're following me on there. If you're not, make sure to go and follow me on there. I've got a giveaway coming soon, so definitely check that out. So this is one of the things I got. So this was £2 from Haven's Hospice. Now this was new in the packaging. It came in, it was kind of folded up like that and in kind of cellophane. So when I brought it, it was a bit of a gamble because I couldn't see a size. However, as soon as I got it home, I saw it said XL, so I don't know why I just didn't see that in the shop. But anyway, I absolutely love this. And when I saw it, I couldn't believe it. Actually, my friend Phoebe, I don't know if she watches my videos, but she has the exact same corset because I remember when we went clubbing, I helped her tie up the back. So I picked up this. I thought this was really cute. I do love brown. I find this is a gorgeous colour to wear for nights out. I think it's really classy. I do have to undo the back quite a lot to get it on, even though it's an XL. However, I was trying to get it on myself, so I think if I had someone else to help me, this would be so much easier. I could get away with this without a bra, which is really good. And obviously it's a corset, so it's not going to be the most comfortable thing in the world, but I do think it's absolutely gorgeous. And I really can't wait to wear this. I might potentially wear it next week when I go to the pub, but I feel like it's maybe too dressy for a pub, but then also I always go too dressy. Anyway, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, love the colour, and for £2 this is just insane, so I absolutely love this. So please excuse the fact that I have not done this up properly because this takes me forever and I really need someone else to help me, and I haven't got anyone right now. So we've got it undone at the back, we've got it barely done up at the front, but you guys can see exactly what this looks like. This looks absolutely gorgeous, and obviously just imagine these actually linked up, but I just don't have the time right now. But oh my gosh, I love this. It's super flattering. Obviously it makes my boobs look great. Obviously I do need to tighten this at the back, so it actually would kind of hold me in, but I love this. And for £2, like I've been looking for a corset like this for so long, and the Stonewall into one in the charity shops is amazing. Definitely check not only in the tops but also in kind of the underwear section and with all the accessories, because this is actually put with all the handbags, because it was in kind of a bag all sealed up, but you couldn't really see what it was. Obviously I reckon if this was on a hanger, it would have been snapped up so much earlier. So definitely make sure to root not just on the rails but also get on the floor, look for all the bins, because I find the best stuff in there. But yes, absolutely love this and can't believe I got it for £2. Like I really want to see how much this is new. I'm going to try and find it. Because I believe it's probably just like an eBay, Amazon sort of job. So I want to look this up and see where it's originally from and see how much it costs, because it feels so nice. Like it's got all the boning, it feels very strong, these clasps feel very strong, and yeah, obviously there's the back. I have not tied it up properly, but you can see kind of how it looks. And yeah, I love this. I feel really sassy in a corset, and yeah, I'm just in love. I then also picked up this shirt. This is actually a size 14 and it is slightly too small. However, like it's definitely wearable and I can work through it, but it is just a little bit tight around the boobs. But it's just literally just a little tie-dye blouse. I do really like the colour of this. I'm not 100% sold on this, I must admit. When I saw it in the shop, I thought, oh my god, I love that. And then getting it home and trying it on, I don't know if it's the fit or what it is, but I just don't love it. But I do feel like it's something I need to keep and try and style. And then if not, I would just give on to a friend or sell it on my Depop. Only issue is in Haven's Hospice they don't have changing rooms, and like today with that dress I probably wouldn't have brought it if I didn't have a changing room, because it's a size 14 and quite often I'm more of a 16 in dresses like that. But because I had a changing room, I could try it on, I knew I loved it before I brought it. And a lot of the charity shops are getting their changing rooms back, but some of them aren't, and I do struggle with that a little bit. Because I just never know what size to get. Like I do think I'm more of a 16, but as I say, this is a 14 and I thought I might be able to get away with it, but because it's not stretchy, it's a little bit snug. But to be fair, I'd probably wear this tied up in the front anyway, so it wouldn't really matter. But that's getting off the point. So this is gorgeous tie-dye shirt. Let me know what you guys think on the try on. Let me know what you think. It's by a brand called Victim. Don't know what that is, never heard of it, but yeah. Thought it was cute, not quite sure if it's like executed the best, but you guys can be the judge of that. Here is the tie-dye blouse. Now I've actually undone the buttons on the cuffs because literally I have to squish my hand through to get it through there, and it's just not comfortable. So to be fair, I probably would wear them open, and I quite like how that gives it more of like a bell sleeve style. As also you can see, I've tied it up. I feel like this is just more flattering. I feel like done up normally it would probably pull on my chest and not be super flattering. However, it does mean it's then quite short, because it's not very long, but yeah, I don't know, I kind of like it. Sorry if I'm looking up, I'm looking in my mirror, but yeah, I don't know, I feel like with black jeans for the pub or for like a night out, cocktails, that'd be absolutely fine. I think I'm just thrown by blue. I very rarely wear blue, and I feel like it's just one of them colours I'm not used to seeing myself in. However, with a bit of a tan like I've got right now, I feel like it does work. So yeah, I feel like I do like this. I'm gonna have to style it in a very certain way, but I'm liking it a lot more and more. I think the other thing that's putting me off is just I feel like I've got too much of my stomach on show, and especially right now my stomach is completely different colour to my body because I wore swimsuits the whole of holiday and all my body got tanned apart from my stomach. But yeah, I feel like it is really cute. Obviously it's mesh as well, so obviously it would depend on what bra I wear underneath. Right now I've got my black Asda bra, which you would have seen in my Valentine's Day haul. So yeah, I do kind of love it. I'm not 100% sold, but yeah, it was £2, and I feel like for a bargain, it's worth the risk. And then obviously I won't ever chuck away a clothe. I will give them to charity, put them on Depop, give them to a friend. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed kind of this come thrift with me and also a little bit of a haul. Let me know if you want me to combine them a little bit more and do more of like come thrift with me's as well. Also check out my Instagram reels and my TikTok. So I'm posting a lot of things I loved but didn't buy in the charity shop. So whenever I'm going and if I see something I like but it's not my size, or I've got something similar so I'm not going to purchase it, I do try and take a little video of it so I can show you guys, just kind of show you what you can get in the charity shops, rather than me just buying it all, just so I can show you without having to actually buy it. Look out for some videos that might have already gone up or that are going up soon. I've got some super exciting things coming out, so make sure you're subscribed. Comment what your favourite item was down below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.